What is wrongful death?
When someone loses their life because of the negligence of someone else, they or their survivors are entitled to bring a claim, and that claim is called a wrongful death claim. That claim deals with several parts of the person's loss. Number one, it deals with the pain and suffering that they endured up until the moment of death. That could have been seconds, minutes, hours, days, or months. But whatever they endured, that's part of their claim. The second part of the wrongful death claim deals with the amount of money that was lost by the survivors. In other words, if the person who died was supporting a family, they have a claim as part of the wrongful death action for their economic losses. So all that gets added up and put into one claim for which the defendant who caused this death is going to be responsible for.